Hello, Lucy. Good evening. Wow. Hello there. Good evening, Lucy, and welcome again to our class for today. It's nice to see you again. My name is Teacher Iris. So, how are you today, Lucy? How are you?
Lucy.
Yes, I'm Lucy. Very good. Your name is Lucy. But how are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad?
Yes. Happy.
Wow, very good. I can see because your smile is big. Okay, let's say it in a sentence. Let's say, I'm, let's say, I'm
I
happy.
Lucy. Happy.
Okay, very good. I'm happy.
I happy.
Okay, very good. So again, how are you, Lucy?
It's night.
Bạn có
Night.
khỏe không?
9 years old. Okay, how are you? I'm happy.
I happy.
Okay, very good. So, when teacher asks you how are you, so you will say about what are you feeling right now. For example, if you are happy, you will say I'm happy. If you are sad, oh, what is that? What is that? Is that the flower? Huh? Is that the flower? Oh, it's a plastic? I don't have plastic here. Okay, so again, Lucy, let's practice. How are you?
Bạn có khỏe không?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes, let's say I'm I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So it's good to know that you are happy today, Lucy. It's so cute. There are hearts in your camera. Okay, so it's good to know that you are happy for today. So are you ready for the continuation of our lesson for today? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So now let's continue our lesson. So last time you told teacher that you can see family in the picture. There is mother, sister, father, and brother. So very good. So you have said that last time. But now, teacher has another question. Teacher has another question for you. Okay, let's take a look at father. So, father and brother. Let's take a look. What are they doing?
Họ đang làm gì vậy?
What are they doing? Father and brother. What are they doing? What are they doing? Let's take a
They
look at this.
are.
Yes,
They
they are.
are.
They are.
Um. They are.
Let's take a look at this. Do you know what is this,
They.
Lucy?
Um.
What is this?
Oh.
Very good. So let's say it's a ball.
Is our pole.
Okay, perfect. Very good. That is a ball. And what are they doing with the ball? Are they playing? Yes or no? Are they playing?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very
Yes.
good. So
Yes.
now let's try to make it in a sentence. Let's say they are
Playing Swiss
it what is that? Wait,
football.
oh, football. Very good. It can be a football. Good job. They are playing with a football. Good job, Lucy. Now, teacher has another question. Do you play football?
Bạn có chơi bóng đá không?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Okay, let's say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Good job. Now, teacher has another question, Lucy. Who do you play football with? Who do you play football with?
Bạn chơi bóng đá với ai?
Do you play with
Is
your sister?
brother.
Oh, your brother. Older brother?
Yes,
Oh, yes. Okay, let's say I play
I play
football.
mommy
Football
football
with
with
my
từ từ.
older
Older
brother.
brother.
Okay, very good. Again, let's answer the question. Lucy, who do you play football with? I play. I play. I play.
Play football with me
Older.
older brother.
Very good. Good job. Again, let's read this word again. Let's say football.
Football. Football.
Football. Football. Football. Let's say football. Ball.
Football.
Okay, this one is my. My.
My.
My. My.
My.
Okay, very good. Again, can you read the whole sentence again, Lucy? I play.
I play. I play football with me.
My
My older
brother.
brother.
Okay, very good. So, wow, you play football with your older brother. Now, let's go back to the picture. Yes, very good. Lucy, they are playing with a ball. Or this one is, we can call it as football. Very good. Now, let's take a look at mother and sister. So, mother and sister, what are they doing? What is mother and sister doing?
Họ đang làm gì vậy?
Is
Are they standing? Are they standing
are they standing
or sitting on the blanket?
or sitting a blanket?
Okay, let's look at the picture. Are they standing? Yes or no?
彼らは立っていますか?
Oh, not that one. This one. Are they standing?
Họ đang đứng à?
No.
No. Very good. Nice. Are they sitting?
Họ đang ngồi à?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, let's make a sentence on what are they doing. What are they doing? They are
They are 16 on a
We call this one blanket.
Blanket.
Okay, very good. Let's say sitting. Sitting.
City.
Blanket.
Blankets.
Okay, perfect. Good job. Now, again, let's take a look at the picture. Lucy, what is mother and sister doing? What is mother and sister doing? What are they doing? They
Shh.
they are
They are
what are they doing? What are they doing?
Họ đang làm gì vậy?
This one. They are
they are
what are they doing? Standing or sitting?
standing assisting.
Standing or sitting? This one.
Đứng hay ngồi?
Ngồi.
Sitting.
It's
Okay. Sitting. Okay, let's say they are sitting. This one. Can you read this one? They are
They are
sitting
sitting
on a blanket.
on a blanket.
Okay, very good. Now let's take a look at the things. At the things that they have around the place. Let's take a look at this one. Um, this one, Lucy. What do we call this? What is this? What is this? Is it a flower? Hmm. Is this a flower? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. What is this? What is this? Is this the sun? What is this?
Đây là cái gì?
Hmm.
It's tree.
Very good. It's tree. Good job. Now, what's the colors or what are the colors of the tree? What are the colors of the tree?
Cây này có màu gì?
Is it color
It
pink?
is it is are green are and
And
black. I know.
is it black?
No. And brown.
Very good. Wow. So let's try to say it in a whole sentence. It is color green and brown.
Green and black. Brown.
Okay. Now Lucy, what is your favorite color? Lucy, what's your favorite color?
Màu sắc yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What's your favorite color?
Màu sắc yêu thích của bạn là gì?
Is it color pink?
No.
No. What's your favorite color?
It's blue.
Okay. Let's say my favorite
My favorite
color
blue color
is
is
blue.
blue.
Okay, very good. Again, what's your favorite color, Lucy? My favorite
My favorite
color
color
is blue.
is blue.
Okay, now can you circle can you circle all of the things that you can see that are color blue in the picture?
Bạn có thể khoanh tròn tất cả những vật có màu xanh dương mà bạn nhìn thấy trong bức tranh không?
Okay, can you circle? Circle,
Yeah.
circle. Okay, go. Circle all of the blue things that you can see. Color blue. Where are the color blue? Circle. Very good. Next, where are the other things? Okay, very good. Okay, circle again. Circle, circle, circle. Is that the circle? Is that circle? This one, circle. What shape is this, Lucy? What shape is this? Hmm,
Đây là hình gì?
what shape is that?
Hai dòng suối gọi là gì?
Is that circle?
Đây là hình gì vậy? Có phải là hình tròn không?
It's lake.
Huh? It's square. Okay, let's say square. Square, square, square. Okay, okay, now choose the circle. Circle, circle, circle. Where is the circle?
Circle.
Huh? What shape is this? Now look at teacher. What shape is this?
Circle là mọi người.
Where is your circle?
Đây là hình gì?
Like this. This one is square. Square, circle, square.
Square.
Okay, but very good. So these are all of the blue things. Okay, that's rectangle. Okay, so these are the blue things that we can see in the picture. Now, let's describe all of the blue things that we can see. This one, let's go first with this one. What is this, Lucy?
Đây là cái gì?
What's this? Do you know what is it?
Ball.
Very good. It is what color? What color is the ball?
Is blue.
Blue ball. So it's a blue ball.
A blue ball.
Very good. Next, how about this one, Lucy? What is this? Is it also a ball? Is it also a ball? Yes or no? Ball? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So we will say it's a blue ball.
It's a blue ball.
Very good. Now, let's take a look at our another things here or blue things. Do you know what is this? What is this?
Đây là cái gì?
What is that? It's what is that? That is where we put the water that we drink. We call it as pitcher.
Picture.
Okay, let's say blue pitcher.
Blue picture.
Okay, perfect. And this one is also blue, but we cannot see what is it. Okay, so very good. Those are all of your favorite colors, which is color blue. So again, Lucy, what is this? What is this?
Đây là cái gì?
What's this? It's a
It's
this one. It's
It's
a
a ball. Blue ball.
perfect. Very good. How about this one? What is this? It's a, what is
It's
this?
a blue ball.
Very good. Wow, nice. You are learning. Next, how about this one? What is this? It's a, what's this? It's a blue
Blue
picture.
picture.
Okay. Okay, let's try to say it in a sentence. It's a, it's
It's
a
a
blue.
blue picture.
Very good. Nice. Again, what is this, Lucy?
Đây là cái gì?
Is a blue picture.
Okay, wow, good job. Perfect. So now, let's have another word. So can you tell teacher, in the picture, look at the picture. Can you see an animal? Yes or no?
Bạn có nhìn thấy con vật nào không?
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What animal can you see?
Bạn nhìn thấy con vật nào?
What animal? Can you circle? Can you circle the animal in the picture?
It's chicken.
Is it a chicken? Are you
Yes.
sure? Can you circle? Circle. Where is the chicken? Where? Oh, okay. So let's take a look at this one. Is this a chicken? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là con gà không?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
No. Okay. What is it? What is it? Okay, let's take a look at these pictures. Okay, now. So teacher will show you some pictures and we will differentiate or we will find the difference between the two animals. So let's take a look. This one is, what animal is this? Lucy. What animal?
It's chicken.
Yes, very good. Chicken. How about this one? What is this?
Chicken.
Is it also a chicken?
No.
No, we call it as duck. Duck.
Duck.
Okay, perfect. So again, what animal is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. This one is? Is this also a chicken? Chicken, yes or no?
No.
No, what do we call or what is the name of this animal? We call again, we say duck. Duck,
Duck.
duck,
Duck.
duck,
Duck.
duck, duck, duck.
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Chicken, duck.
Chicken. Duck.
Okay, now let's go back to our picture in our lesson. What animal is this, Lucy? This one. Is it a chicken? Yes or no?
It's no.
No. What animal is that?
Duck.
It's okay, very good. It's a duck. Again, is it a chicken?
No.
No, it's a
Duck.
okay, perfect. Good job. Okay, so now, Lucy, remember that this is not a chicken. This is a duck. And this one is, we call it as picture. Okay? Okay, so very good. Good job again for this lesson, Lucy. So we will continue learning more about the words that we have here in the picture, and we will focus more on practicing your sentences or you creating sentences. Okay? So see you again soon or see you again on Tuesday. Lucy, thank you very much for your time today and goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye and good night. Bye bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. So cute. Bye bye. Wow, how can you do that? Oh, this one, I can see it now. Oh, how do you do that? Oh, I can do it. Wow, goodbye. See you again soon.